Hi everybody, this is Julie. I just wanted to hop on and do my little overview of my AACN self-assessment. My score went from a 34 to a 39. I went up in the essentials number 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I stayed the same in some. I feel like we got a really good overview of electronics and technology in this class, but gosh, there's so much more that I want to learn. And I'm anxious to do some study on my own to learn more. Electronics that I think are going to be good for future nursing education is the sim labs, getting students in there and doing virtual simulations with either mannequins or other electronic resources, and then the virtual world. I wrote in one of my things the virtual table, which I think is an awesome resource that we can learn so much from by getting a better look at the internal anatomy. So I'm looking forward to seeing what's going to happen as technology increases. I've really enjoyed this class, and thank you all for your input. Have a great have a great rest of the year. Hopefully 2020 gets better.